Hello, welcome to this lesson on fiscal policy. Fiscal policy are government policies aimed at government spending, taxes, and transfer payments. And these are instituted by Congress and the President. First, we're going to look at expansionary fiscal policy. Here, the goal is to decrease unemployment and increase GDP, also ends up increasing price levels. Here, what the government is going to do to conduct the expansionary fiscal policy is to increase government spending, increase transfer payments, and lower taxes. Now, because they're increasing their spending and getting less revenue from taxes, the government would need to borrow the difference, which creates a budget deficit. Since they're increasing spending, increasing transfer payments, which gives people more money to spend, and lowering taxes, which also gives people more money to spend. This is going to lead to more overall spending in the economy, which is going to shift aggregate demand to the right over here. Another thing they could do is contractionary fiscal policy. Now, the goal here is to decrease price levels. Now, this is also going to increase unemployment and decrease GDP. The tools to do this contractionary policy are to decrease government spending, decrease transfer payments, and increase taxes. Now, since the government's going to get more revenue, more income from these taxes than they're spending, this is going to create a budget surplus. And this is going to decrease spending, decrease transfer payments will mean people have less money to spend. Increased taxes means people have less money to spend. So it decreases spending across the whole economy, shifting aggregate demand to the left. Now the government doesn't need to do all these in combination. They might just do one, or they might do two, or they might do all three. Same thing over here. They might do one, two, or all three. But the goal is still the same for each policy. That's all for this video.